All right. I did not mean to shake shake my screen here. All right, let's talk about this. We'll talk about the US dollar here. What we're gonna do for Forex, selling the US dollar back down to 101 to 100 this week. Looking for a major move downtrend for the US dollar currency index. Remember, everything is on TradingView on the weekly chart here for my weekly swing analysis. Weekly swing signals already been sent out to you guys. Happy Sunday Fun Day. I just want to look into what we got for this week here. Bank holiday. Remember that tomorrow is a bank federal holiday. It is Martin Luther King Jr. So make sure you don't get yourself caught up for trading tomorrow because it's a federal holiday. Okay. You can choose to trade if you want, but me personally, I would just take it very lightly, and then I'll come in on Tuesday here. Well, let's see here. Tuesday, I'm just looking at what could possibly happen. Wednesday, okay, Wednesday. Okay, so Tuesday, Wednesday, and then that's pretty much it. So Tuesdays and Wednesday gonna be our prime days of trading, and then we'll see what happens for Thursday. So we're going to be selling the US dollar index for this week. I'm looking for a move back down to 101 and 100. Buying US 30. Now, US 30 is peaking at this resistance at close to 34,300. If it doesn't keep going, then I'd be looking to sell it back down. Looking for it to see if it's going to break 35 to 36,000 for this week. S&P, we're buying S&P, also buying NASDAQ. I'm expecting to see if this can go up to 4,200 and then maybe 4,250. I don't expect it to go that high for this week. So we're going to have a really low volume for tomorrow, and then we'll see when Tuesday morning kicks up for the stock exchange. Buying NASDAQ, looking for NASDAQ to hit 12,000, and then we'll see if it breaks to hit 13,000. Gold is on a massive move. Looking for gold to just keep building its momentum towards 2,000, and then from there we'll see if it even if it's gonna retest higher. I want to see if this pair can actually break hold on, break 2,100, and then we'll see if it creates a newer high above 2,100. Now I'm talking about long term because this commodity is hot right now. Same thing with silver. UJ, selling UJ. Now UJ is sitting at this support price right here at 127. We will see how much more they're going to drive this pair down. I'm looking for it to break 126 to 125. If it does sustain support here, I'd be looking to buy for it back to hit 128 to 129. Okay, so buying euro on the weekly swing, looking for euro to hit 109 to 110. And that's all I got for that pair. Euro British pound, looking to sell this pair back down to 87. No, 88 first and then 87. There's just a lot of consolidation right in between in here. I know you can't go off of this, but we were to drop down in the 4 hour, you get a chance to see it. So looking to sell this back to 88 to 87. And then for the pound, looking for the pound to break this initial resistance at 123 to break 124. So we'll see how much further the pound is going to keep driving up. This is going to be pretty tricky for this pair. U-Swiss did drop, but ended up consolidating right back up to 92. So we are selling this pair, but this pair could easily reverse itself back up. I don't like doji candles around sitting at the bottom because it signals for me as a reversal, and so it could end up going right back up because I was looking for it to sustain the breakdown on 92 and then keep going down to 91, which I didn't see that. So the bulls came right back, and we'll see where this pair is going to sit, or it could end up just sitting here for a while, like what it did previously in the past here, when I'm going to outline what it just did here. So we'll see how it all plays out for this. This pair could be a really tricky pair to be trading. UK, we're going to be selling UK. I'm looking for UK to come back down to break 133 to 132. And that's it. We're buying Australia and New Zealand. Australia, the Australian dollar is a lot stronger. Looking for it to break 70 to 71 to 72. And then for New Zealand dollar, looking for it to break 64 to 65, and then maybe possibly move to 66. Okay. Other than that, any questions, feel free to hit me up in the Telegram chat group. And then that's all I got for you guys. So happy Sunday fun day. Well, yeah, that's all I got. Peace out. All right, let's talk about crypto. So crypto has been booming up since last week, and it's hit its peak, which is right here at the 21,400. So I'm expecting crypto to drop back, especially for Bitcoin, all the other cryptos. So this is the first line of resistance I was paying attention to see if it's going to break above 21, but it did not sustain to close above it. So it looks like this is the end run here. Looking for it to come back down to 20,000, and then we'll see if it tries to make a move back up to break above 21,000 to 22,000. So that's what I'm looking at right now for today, and then all the way up until tomorrow morning. And we will see what's going to happen with Bitcoin. Ethereum. So Ethereum is doing the same thing. It did touch almost 60.25. So the next resistance was right at around 1640, 1650. So we'll get a chance and see what's going to happen from here. But like I said, very similar to what Bitcoin is doing, coming right back down. So other than that, it is what it is. So just looking for the moves to go back down here. Litecoin, let's talk about this. Litecoin is still trying to make a way back up to $91 here. That's the peak right now. It's sitting at 88, looking for a sell back down to 84, maybe $80. So we'll see how that all plays out. Shiba. So Shiba is sitting at so 0001. Came all the way up to 00011. I don't really see a whole lot from here. Looking for it to fall back down to 0009, and we will see if it comes back down to even 00050 zeros with the 7 at the very bottom support here. So we'll see how it all plays out. But I'm expecting these coins to come back down. Dogecoin sitting at 8.5 cents. Looking for Dogecoin to come back down to 7 cents. Tezos broke above $1, did not sustain above this price. Looks like it's going to come back under $1, so that's what I'd be looking at, 90 cents. Ripple coming back down. A lot of resistance is seen at the 40 cent price here. Neo, let's see here. Neo is sitting at peak of $8.10. It's already back under $8, so I'm looking for it to come back down to $7.50 to $7. Dash a lot. Let's see here. Did not break above 55. It's at 51. Looking to sell it back down to under 50, back to 49 to 47. Solana came all the way up to 25. Looking for selling back down to 21 to $20. Zcash, a lot of resistance here. Price narrowing down. This is still in a consolidation zone. Can't even break above 50. Looking for it to come back down to 40 to 35 under the support price. Other than that, that's all I got for you guys. So me personally, I feel like they're just pumping and dumping the markets right now. And who knows? There's still a lot of uncertainty going on in the crypto exchanges, and the whole FTX thing is still up in the air at this point. So we'll see how everything all plays out. We're still in the early stages. Yes, we're coming into midweek. Tomorrow is Martin Luther King day, so it is a federal holiday. So other than that, I don't expect too much volume for tomorrow as well. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for crypto. I'll see you guys in the chat group. If there's any questions, message me. Peace.